Having trouble connecting your Shopify card reader? A quick reset might be all you need. Let's start with the Tap and Chip reader. First, you'll need to remove it from the charging dock. This can be done by removing the clip from the front and sliding the reader out by pressing down and forward. If your reader hasn't been removed often, it may seem stuck. That just means you may need to apply more pressure. Many people miss this step, but it's essential for the reset to work properly. Look at the back of your Tap and Chip reader. See that tiny hole next to the power button? That's your reset pinhole. Grab a paper clip and gently push it into the hole. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. You'll know it worked when you see the status lights blink 4 times in sequence. That's your reader telling you, I'm ready to go. If you have a Wisepad 3, the process is nearly identical. Just check your device for the pinhole location on the side. Grab a paper clip and gently push it into the hole. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. You'll know it worked when you release the paper clip and the reader beeps and the screen restarts. For best results, try forgetting the reader in your Bluetooth settings before doing the reset. First, go to your device's settings app and tap Bluetooth. Find your hardware device in the list, tap the information icon, and select Forget this device. If you're using an Android device, the process is similar. Open your Bluetooth settings, select the device, and unpair. Once the reader has been forgotten and reset with the paperclip, pair it again through your POS app. First, open Shopify POS, tap the connectivity menu, then set up another device. Then tap Card Reader. And lastly, select your specific model. Follow the remaining prompts specific to your hardware.